This is the hair I'm using for today's tutorial. It's a synthetic hair called Daniela 2x. You get about 2 bundles in one pack. The texture of this hair feels much like synthetic hair, and the color is color 1, shiny dark color 1, and I love the coils on the tip. After cornrolling, you just sew in the last tip of the hair, that's the end of the cornrows, to one of the cornrows using needle and thread to do so. While cornrolling, you just want to connect all the tips or the ends of the cornrows to each other. I do have a detailed tutorial on how to cornrow. We'll leave the link in the description box below. Sewing, I'm starting right from the back of our hair, which is the normal way to start sewing weave-on, sewing it from the left to the right side of our head. So I'm starting the sewing right underneath the cornrow so that when she flip or pack the hair into a ponytail, it will have a smooth look. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. Hope you are doing good, hope you are doing great. This is no closure, no frontal, full sew in, no leave out, C-cut closing. We'll just continue sewing from right to left or from left to right, whichever way you are seeing it. And as I'm sewing, I'm doubling the weft. The reason is because the 2 bundles are very full and I want the hair to look full as well. And also because the wefts are not like human hair, which are very thick. As I'm sewing, I'm not cutting the wefts yet. I'm doing the turnover method. Once I reach the end part that is very close to the ear, we'll just flip it over to the next line and continue sewing. Right now, I'm just sewing in the hair in a U shape and minding the fact that the hair is a C patterns hairstyle. Okay, for the first sewing, I'm sewing to the front. I am doing the turnover method. When I reach to the front, or when I reach the front, I will just flip it over and continue sewing down to the other part of the head. But for the second sewing, I'm sewing to the front. I'm just going to sew the weave-on down to where I initially part the C-cut, and this is so that the hair can kind of cover the face without making it look rough in front. Then when I get to the end of the line in front, we'll just cut the weave-on needle and thread so that the hair will lay flat. Moving on to the next line, I'm just starting from the inside like so and sew it down to the other part of the head, and when I get to the end, we'll just use scissors to cut off the remaining excess weave-on. Taking the first line down to the other part of the head, for this second line I'm still going to start sewing from the inside, but I'm not going to sew it down to the other part of the head since we have more space on the left side than the right side. So I'm just going to sew from the left side and stop at the middle, and then do the same, just taking it from the inside of the first line I took So we just continue adding more hairs, that's sewing more weave on to the left side than the right side because we have more space on the left side. So we also go ahead to do the same on the other side, that is the right side of the head. I will just sew from the beginning part to the middle part, and then I'll cut it off from at the middle part and take it to the next line until the both sides are pretty close to each other. We'll continue sewing that way until the lines are pretty close to each other. So now I'm just going to allow you guys to see for yourself what I'm doing so that you get to understand it better. So moving on, for the front I'm just going to use this hair glue which is called bonding glue, and also a spray gel. You can get this spray gel anywhere in the market, especially in Nigeria, but you can use any spray gel of your choice. We just start to apply the bonding glue on the weft of the hair first, but before applying the bonding glue, we first of all identify the front and the back. And the front side is not advisable, the back side is actually advisable to apply bonding glue because it helps hold the bonding glue to the hair better. Applying the bonding glue to the weft of the hair, we use scissors to cut off the wefts into pieces so that it will cover up the wefts showing on the head. I hope you get it. Please watch it very carefully. Right now we are doing division of labor. I'm applying the bonding glue on the weft of the hair and I'm giving it to my stylist to just place it on her head, which is going to cover up the wefts that are showing behind. Continue placing, and while placing we're adding little pressure to it. I have a detailed tutorial on this. I think I'm going to leave the link also in the description box below. So we're gently applying the glue to the weft and then place it right where we want it to be, and then add little pressure and also use spray gel to help hold it firm. And gently leaving very little space in the pattern, also using tail comb to help me brush the hair and also press down the extension or the weft of the hair so it doesn't exceed the pattern. We just allow you guys to see for yourself so that you get to really understand what we're actually doing. Okay, I know you guys have been complaining about me not showing you guys how to do the closing or how to close a style. So for this particular style, this is how to close it. I'm going to allow you guys to see for yourself and understand for yourself. After closing, we just use a tail comb to comb the hair backward and also spray the pattern with a spray gel so that it will help hold the wefts of the hair down. Now I'm just using a scissors to trim off the excess hair or the hair covering the pattern, and also trimming off the small hairs that are in front of the pattern. After that, we just brush the hair neatly and also spray either hairspray or apply hair cream. Hope this is helpful and you're able to learn something from this video. And yeah, here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Share to friends and family. Leave a comment. Don't forget to leave a comment to tell me what you want to see up next on this channel. Subscribe if you haven't. Please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. We'll talk to you guys later. Stay blessed.